My darling. I came yesterday, but it was pretty late, so I couldn't come. So how are you doing?
You have seen me now. I am cooking in the kitchen. I hope you don't mind sitting with me.
Not at all. How would you say that?
You know, you are now a big city woman. I hope this smoke from the firewood will not be disturbing you.
No, I might be a city girl, but I haven't forgotten where I'm coming from. This is my roots.
So tell me, my friend, how is school treating you?
It wasn't easy at all, but I thank God for everything. Guess what?
What?
You're talking to the latest graduate in town.
Really?
Yes.
This is good news.
Yes.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Done and dusted.
This is good. This is really good.
You know, while I was in school, everywhere was just you see some of my friends. They don't even know.
Chiwayoma, this is wonderful.
Thank you.
I'm so impressed. Eh?
Thank you.
So proud.
Thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you.
Well, I didn't expect anything less from you because I know you have your father's brain.
Oh, I know you will say that. When the child does well, the credit goes to the father.
Ugochi, don't be like that. You know that my brother was an intelligent man. You know it.
If not for condition, I would have been a doctor today.
Doctor? Or herbalist?
Nah, doctor. Yes. Your uncle doctor is doctor. But mama, don't worry now. At least you have a daughter that will soon become a medical doctor.
You see, didn't listen anything.
That is my only consolation. If your father was alive today, he would have witnessed this wonderful day with us.
Ugochi, don't worry. Wherever my brother is, I know he's happy. I know he's proud of his daughter. And if he has been alive, he will do everything possible to make sure the daughter acquires university education. And for that, whatever it will cost for Chinelu to complete her university education, I will take care of it.
Uncle, thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. My husband. Thank you. You're such a good man. Valuing man.
You don't need to thank me. My brother loves me so much. I know. I love him too. He would have done the same thing for my children if it's the other way around.
Thank you.
Madam,
thank you.
Chinelu, always remain the good year it has always been. And study hard. I trust you. I know you will never do anything that will bring shame to this family.
I won't, Uncle, I promise. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll keep my part. Just do your part.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
go and say and tell us to know what exactly is wrong with you.
I said I'm fine.
You've been like this for days and you've been vomiting. You go to nurse. And you can't stand the smell of food. Eh? I can't tell nurse. Oh.
Are you pregnant? Pregnant? God forbid. Mama, how can you say that? You can't say things like that.
God better forbid. Okay, he better forbid though, because your education is at stake. I know what your uncle said. It's written all over you. The signs of pregnancy is written all over you. Stand, let's go and see us.
Mama, I said there's no need for that.
I think you stand up. Hey, stand up, come on. Stand up, what's this? Go! You're holding your breath as someone eats him, no? Chidelo eats him, you are pregnant. Chidelo, you are pregnant. Can you finish? So yeah, let's go.
Chidelo, I'm disappointed in you. I saw you as a girl with a very high moral standard. Chinelo, how could you bring this type of shame into this family? I used to see you as a girl with high moral standard. I use you as an example to other children in this family on how best to behave. How could you break our trust this way? How?
It was a mistake. It was a mistake.
Chidelo, it's a mistake. When you were busy pulling your clothes, spreading your legs, you didn't know that a mistake will bring you disgrace. Chidelo, you are a disgrace. You see you, I tried my best to train you well and God will bear me witness. Okay, you will disgrace yourself and not me. You know that? Disgrace. They're called.
I should have the shining light of this family.
Can you imagine?
How can you do this? This is your plan all the way. To go to the university and be sleeping around with boys. No member of this family will enter the university with an unwanted pregnancy. We will not tolerate such a shame. So it's obvious whatever you're thinking on your head, you are not on your own. And there is nothing I can do about that. The water you poured on yourself is what is making you cold.
Oh, Uncle, please. Please don't leave me like this now. I am begging you. Don't do this to me. It was a mistake. Please. Please.
Mistake has consequences and you have to bear them.
Uncle, please.
Hey!
Begging for
begging
me.
for what?
Begging for me.
What's for yourself? If you leave him alone, Chinelo. If you leave him alone, when you disgrace, when you were busy spreading your legs. Imaro! You want me to beg your uncle? Chinelo, you are a disgrace. I knew I trained you well, and God knows I did my best. Chinelo, your father married me a virgin. Eh? I don't know who you resemble. Amarom, Mama BC, but I don't know. Eh? See what you put upon yourself now. University, Mbasi. Ngwano, stay. For God. Eh? Hey. Hey. Yeah. By the way, who is responsible? Chinelo. Chinelo, who is responsible for this pregnancy? Oh, it's a go. Hi.
Chinelo. A penny for your thought?
Nothing. I'm actually very happy for you.
Chinelo, I'm your very good friend. I know you're happy for me, but your tears says otherwise.
Come here. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? You're something wrong with you. What you are doing? Chineke Oracle. Are you mad? Eh? Don't zip me. It was just a mistake. Of course it is a mistake. No, what stupid mistake I'm asking you, because you can never do anything good in your life. You can never do anything right. Did you see anywhere else to play football? Did you see it? I warned Mama about this football. I warned Mama about buying football for him. But Mama never listens to me.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Osegeni, sorry, Sowaro. Sorry, kill you there. You are very stupid. Why are you telling sorry? No. You are very stupid. Hey,
Stop it!
Idiot.
It was just a mistake. The boy played the boy at the wrong direction. You will not have to kill her.
Of course it is a mistake. Because everything about him is a mistake. Idiot.
What?
Fool.
Nayo, come. Come. It's okay. Stop crying. I got this for you. I wanted to give you before leaving, but right now, take it, go inside. I'll talk to you later, okay? Go.
Go. Just go, idiot! Idiot! That is what you are! Foolish boy! I'm not just here for whatever they are for.
Chide, what has come over you? What is wrong with you? Why would you say all this in front of that little boy?
That boy ruined my life. That boy made my life stand still. That boy shut out my dreams.
I can't believe after all these years, you're still holding on to your past. Why are you making it look as if it's this little boy's fault? Why won't you move on? Learn to let go.
It is his fault. And how can I let go when the one thing that reminds me of my past is always before me, staring at me every day? How can I let go when the one thing that reminds me of my past is always before me, staring at me day in, day out? How can I let go when my dreams of attaining greater heights is now a mirage? Now tell me, how can I let go?
You're making it look as if it was Nayo's fault. None of these things was his fault. His coming into this world was as a result of circumstances. And nobody knows what the future holds in bulk. As long as oxygen and carbon dioxide still passes through your nostril.
It is his fault. Don't even tell me otherwise. It is his fault. Look at you. A graduate. While I am here, a forgotten product of misery. Isoma, I had dreams. You know, I had dreams. You know how badly I wanted to go to school, study medicine, and become a medical doctor. Isioma, you know how I burnt midnight candles, studying, reading, day in, day out, researching every day just to make good grades in school. I would have succeeded if that boy did not come along. I mean, I don't even understand it. A lot of married couples they are barren, looking for children. Why didn't he go to them? Why did he come to me? Did I ask for him? Why did he come to me?
Chinelo, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I beg you. I beg you to let go. Let it go. You cannot continue to blame that innocent boy for a mistake of two people. Chinelo, he didn't choose to be born. And it was not his fault that the so-called father abandoned him. Please, let go. Move on. But it was not his fault that you opened your legs and got pregnant.
Did you come here to mock me? Did you walk into this place to mock me?
Chinelo, I am your friend.
Chinelo, I love you so much, and I can only tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. I can never mock you. Please, I beg you. Free your mind, it will do you nothing. It will not cost you anything. Move on.
I should move on. I should just move on. Why are you saying this as if you have not realized that there is no hope for me? There is no hope.
No, Chinelo, come on. Come on. There is hope. Okay, don't talk like that. Please. Listen, Chinelo, a friend of mine once told me that once there is life, there is hope. Just look at me. Didn't I fail jam 3 times? I failed jam. But look at me today, I'm a graduate. There is still hope for you. Please, I beg you. Stop all this thing. Please. Chinelo, it's okay. It's okay.
What is the problem? Listen, you know I don't like it when you cry like this. Eh? Do you want to talk about whatever it is? Eh? It's okay. What is it? I'm gonna need you. I'm gonna need you. Hi. Sorry. Hi. So sorry. But you see, the fact that you failed JAMB does not mean that you're a failure. Why are you crying like this now? Maka JAMB.
Do you know what that means? That I won't be going to school all of this year.
You can apply for pre-science now. Or better still, wait and write another JAMB next year.
So what will I be doing the whole of this year?
You can learn a skill. My friend, learn a skill now. See, this period, skills come in handy. They are very important. There is always hope. You see that my friend Chidi? He told me he wrote JAMB 4 times. 4 good times. But now, he's doing his master's abroad. He only came back because of his father's ill health. So you see, just cheer up. As long as there is life, there is hope. So cheer up, my friend. There are plenty things for you to do.
I can't believe I'll not be entering university.
These JAMB people are wicked. They are very heartless. It's okay. Don't kill yourself because of JAMB. In fact, at this point, I advise you to hide this result. Because it's like this time you see it, you start crying. Just hide it so you won't be seeing it.
But it's still my result now.
Leave that thing as long as you're not seeing it now. Just cheer up. Don't bring it out till you want to bath. You go? Listen, if you really want to have that university experience, Go and apply for prescience. Go to prescience. They treat everybody like undergraduates. So. They go for lectures. Everything university people do, that is what they do there. I have a friend that is there. She's always telling me what is happening there. You will go? Oh? Oh. It's okay.
Chinelo, you see, after feeling jammed 2 times, look at me today. I am now a graduate. All I want to let you know is that you should not give up. Alright? Do not give up. All hope is not gone.
It is too late. Just look at me. I am not getting any younger. And my uncle who wanted to sponsor my education has lost faith in me.
Sweetheart, it is never too late. Never. You can still go back to school and achieve your dreams. But first, you have to let yourself heal.
Heal. It's not as easy as you make it seem.
I know it's not easy. Nothing good comes easy. It's never going to be easy. But you have to take a first step. Do something. Whatever happens, I am here for you. Look at me. I will never leave you. Okay? I will always stand by you. I will never leave you. I will always stand by you. Okay? Don't worry, stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Check what you're cooking before you get burned. Don't worry. Wow. The aroma is nice. What's the occasion?
My mother is expecting a visitor.
Oh, I see. Anyway, you need to add one more visitor. Because I'm here and I'll eat that food. Hope it will be enough for me.
Of course.
I'll eat.
Don't lose us. Be focused in life.
Oh, no. Very nice. But it would have tasted better if she cooked with a happier countenance. She always frowns as if she carries the weight of the world on her shoulders. Gee, baby.
My countenance is my countenance. And not for you to worry about.
Chinelo. Mama, don't worry. I understand. Gee, baby. Babylistic baby. Don't worry. I am here now to help you carry your burdens.
As Jason, how do you intend to carry my burdens when it is very obvious that your own is weighing you down?
See, Chi, I'm just trying to make a joke to help you ease your stress, that's all.
But your joke is not funny now. It is very dry. That is why we are not laughing. In fact, your joke is adding to my stress. Listen, let us cut the chase. I know why you are here. And let me tell you, whatever it is that brought you to this place, you have failed. It will not work. So any arrangement you have with my mother, I am not a part of it. I am not a part of it at all. I will never, ever in this life, even in the next life, be interested in you. Never! Ask her my word again.
Chinelo, come back here. Chinelo, come back here.
And a word of advice. Next time, when you plan to go to someone's house, do those people a favor and save their noses by taking a pass.
Oh.
Then spray perfume. Roll on deodorant. You can even get the cheapest ones in outside markets. Biaba ane kufule. Uri ogonogo. Your truth. Anyway, Naya, she not look like this because something is bothering her because now.
Mama, I called GM. Thank you for the food.
Now.
Mama, I called you Mama. And the people there. Help me.
Now, Bia. Biko, don't be offended.
See, Mama. Mama, listen. It is clear that your daughter doesn't love me. And it's not possible for a homie to keep on pursuing something that will never be. Eh? Okay, if I'm going to manage them, can we get at Nadi? Take any now.
Anyway, Biko, don't be offended. Biko, Obi Adriama, she's not in a good mood. Biko.
Mama, I have tried. I have tried. See, you see that your daughter, I wish her good luck. I'm asking why I food you okay, they come on.
Olube, I'm not Olube now. Piano no. When you were Biko piano. Chinelo, gonna come here. Can't see Kotalogi. This Yama. Easy. Mama. This Yama. Talk to your friend. Easy, talk to your friend now. Since she has lost the opportunity of going to school, she also wants to lose the opportunity of getting married, considering her condition.
Mama, don't worry, eh? I'll talk to her. She'll have a rethink, okay? Don't worry yourself.
I'm afraid.
Don't worry, I'll talk to her. She will come around and definitely marry a husband that will bring back the joy of this family. I know that's what you want. Relax your mind.
Talk to her.
No problem.
Talk to her.
Let me be on my way.
Talk to her.
I will.
Talk to her.
Bye, Mama.
Chinelo. What was the meaning of that? What was the meaning of what? Don't answer my question with question. You know what I'm talking about. He has body odor. Mama own is full. I can't believe you are so desperate for me to get married that you overlooked that fact. Didn't you perceive it? Either you see it. Chinelo, you find fault in every man that comes to seek your hand in marriage. Am I the reason you didn't go to school, Chinelo? I'm not the cause. Mama, please, don't go there. Don't go there. No, I will go there. Since you brought it up, blaming everyone except yourself. What is your problem? What do you expect? Okay, Mama, I have heard. I have heard you. Don't come and remind me of my problems. Please, I did not say anything, no. But you implied it. Chinelo, it's high time you came back from that high place to place yourself and face reality. A woman is like a flower, fresh and beautiful in the morning, but withers in the evening. Time is running out. The earlier you get married, the better for you. I need grandchildren. Chinelo, what were you expecting? If you open your hands to receive gifts from men, also open your legs to receive anything they give you. Chinelu, time is running out. Oh God, Rosé. The earlier you get married, the better for you. I need grandchildren. Okay, Nolia? Grandchildren. Legitimate ones. Omo. On your leg. Come on, walk fast. Mano. Walking crooked like your father. You say that you never walk. Did I not say walk fast? Did you not hear walk fast? Or you are deliberately trying to delay me? Or say no, mommy. Who is your mommy? Walk fast. Walk fast. I'm not your mommy. Walk fast. Walk fast. Come on. Walk fast.
Tired. The money has expired. I'm tired. Just go down. I'm not going again.
Calm down now. I'm trying to get GPS.
Trying to get
where we are going.
Trying to get what GPS? Yes. This is village. You don't use GPS here.
How am I supposed to know that?
I'm not going again. The money has expired.
Can we at least be patient so we can at least get to where we are going to?
Get to where?
Fast! Walk fast before I remove these ears that you don't hear.
Stop! Come on, stop it! Can't you see you're hurting the boys?
Ogini,
Can't you see you're hurting the boy?
how is it your business? How is it your business? I'm asking you. It is none of your business how I treat my son, no?
Oh, he's your son? And you're treating him that way?
Yes, he is my son. And I will treat him however I want without you interfering.
Well, ma'am, the fact that he's your son don't give you the right to abuse him like that.
Chimo! Cheru, come! Who do you think you are?
Well, my name is Anastasia Suko. I am a lawyer and an activist. And I can sue you for physically abusing this poor child and inflicting pain on him.
Oh, you are a lawyer. Nyaki Ijeko. Eh? Stressing the lawyer part as if it's something very important. Ngwano, Madam Lawyer, you are going to sue me for disciplining my own son. No, Madam Lawyer, I'm asking you. You will sue me for disciplining my own son.
This is not discipline, that's torture.
Listen, I can see that you are one of those educated people who think that they are better than everyone else. Walking around, hanging their shoulders as if their shit don't smell. Poking their noses into other people's businesses. But madam, listen, oh. Whoever you think you are, stay away from my business. Madam, remove your nose from my business. Don't say I did not warn you. And don't say I didn't do anything good for you in this life. Wow. Try me. He is my son. Neya, I can do to him. I cannot conk him. If I can even kick him. Hey, Biera! Come back, I have not finished demonstrating. Hey, Biera! Look at him. I am doing what? Hey, you are right. Come back here. Yes, please.
So bitter, like that. See that? No, please, let's leave. We don't have any business with them.
be a city girl, but I haven't forgotten where I'm coming from. This is my roots.
So tell me, my friend, how is school treating you?
It wasn't easy at all, but I thank God for everything. Guess what?
What?
You're talking to the latest graduate in town.
Really?
Yes.
This is good news.
Yes.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Done and dusted.
This is cool.
I'll show you. Put your hand here and do this.
Let me see. Oh,
You like this?
yes. Let me take it.
See.
Oh,
So fine.
this is beautiful.
Yes, that is because you're beautiful. Huh?
Okay, I want to see your more. Let me stand here.
Okay. Ready? So cheese. Fine.
It's so beautiful.
Yes.
You teach me. I want to learn how to snap pictures.
Of course I will teach you. Okay? But hold on, let's take this off. You like it?
Your head is too big.
My head is big. How?
Yes,
Oh, come on.
but
my
it's
head
fine.
is You like it, Daddy?
Yes,
Okay.
it's fine.
Well, I like it. Now this is called a tripod. When you want to take a selfie, this is where you fix your camera. Good. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Like that?
Yes, they are so beautiful.
Yes, they are. That is because you're beautiful. Huh? Yes, you are very beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Truth be told, I like this place. You know, I like this place a lot.
It's beautiful. I'm
Yes.
very quiet.
Yes,
That's the one thing I like about it.
yes, it is. Ah, very beautiful. I like those trees. After you were there, you see it?
Yeah, but it's not as near as it looks. That tree is really far.
I love adventures. Why don't we go through the bush to that tree?
It's fine.
Good. Let's go. See? Get my camera.
I told you to stop doing that.
I'm sorry about that. I just like the way it makes you feel. How are you?
I'm fine.
How long have you been here?
About an hour. I actually thought you wouldn't make it.
Well, I'm sorry I was with my father.
Oh, yes. It's okay. I understand. How is he?
He's not getting any better.
Oh.
At all. Everything that has been done medically to tackle this ailment has failed.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. He will be fine. Nothing will happen to him, okay?
I hope so. Listen, I want to show you something.
What?
Just wait. Ta-da!
Oh my God. This is so beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it. I want a copy of it. How do I get it?
Okay, I will make a copy for you. And then I'll keep this one. I'll use this to remember our love, our bond, and everything we share. Hey, you don't have to be afraid, okay? When I said I love you, I meant it. And I promise you, nothing will ever make me leave you.
Are you serious?
Of course. Of course I'm serious. And that is because I love you so much. And I want to be with you forever. Come here. I love you, okay?
What is it?
I just want to die. I want to die.
God forbid.
I just want to die.
Why will you wish yourself dead? She?
Am I not better dead? But answer me. This thing that I'm living, is it life? Is it life?
Enough of this nonsense coming out of your mouth. She? I understand what you have made me, but it's not the end of the world.
Of what use is the world to me when my life has been shattered beyond repair? My life is like a broken glass. A glass broken into 1,000 tiny pieces without any hope of being mended. And each time I try to gather it, I get wounded. Hey!
Jenny, do not let the happening in your past determine your entire life. There is still so much to live for. Big one, do not kill yourself. Chi, God still have so much in store for you. You know, Chi, big one, it's okay. I'm here for you. We'll go through it together. Chi, your mom is here. It's okay.
Something like what, Mama? What is there to live for? I watched my life dissolve before me. Mama, I am a failure.
No. He did nothing wrong but be born. He is your son, my grandchild. Nobody detects the elements that determines the tide of history.
That boy is a curse.
God forbid. I forbid you to utter such utterances from your mouth. It's an abomination.
I curse the day he was formed in my womb.
Chinelo! You better accept your fate. And accept that boy as your son and treat him with love and care. You owe him that much.
I owe him nothing. I don't owe him anything. It is better for him to die because his presence here brings me nothing but pain, sorrow, agony.
6 years is enough for anyone to heal.
Some wounds never heal.
That's up to you. If you don't want to heal, keep opening it. Otherwise, take responsibility and do something with your life.
Just be strong. If I'm a Chukwu, Adinaka Chukwu kere ụwa, Adinaka Chukwu, Adinaka Chukwu, Adinaka Chukwu kere ụwa, Adinaka Chukwu.
Nna, why are you sitting here alone?
Mama, why does my mother hate me this much?
Nako, see, no mother will hate her child. Hmm? Your mother is going through a lot now.
That's not true, Mama! My mother hates me! She hates me and I don't know what I did to her!
Anna, your mother does not hate you. Your mother has been through a lot. Hmm? She does not, no mother will hate her child. You know, go.
But Mama, my mother called me a girl. Mama, tell me, am I really a girl?
I've told you severally to stop listening to people's discussion.
I'm sorry, Mama. But my mother called me a girl.
And you are not. Eh? No, you are not. You are a blessing from God to me. And you know Grandma loves you so much. Hmm? It's okay. Wipe your tears. Unna. Now, wipe your tears. I love you. Oh? Your mother loves you too. You know go? I'm going to the market. Will you go with me? Can wash your face. You know go? I pray she doesn't destroy this boy. And I pray she knows what she's doing.
My goodness. You mean Chinelo attempted to poison herself? Why would she do that? What for? She wants to take her own life?
Hey, my daughter needs help. And if we don't do anything about that, we will not only lose her to emotional trauma, but to the great beyond.
God forbid! Nothing will happen to my friend.
Sima, please help me. She has been your friend from childhood. Biko, do everything possible to help her and always monitor her so that she won't kill herself. Biko.
Mama, don't worry. Just relax your mind. I'll do everything I can. Okay? Trust me. Don't worry.
Naya. Auntie.
How are you?
Auntie, I'm okay.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Mama? Okay, I'll see you later, okay? Buy something for me.
I will.
Buy okpa for me.
So bad. Let's go.
Fine brain. Come on, you don't need to hide your face, girl, because I already saw you. And I must say, you look really beautiful. I also heard that you have a son now without a husband. Oh, that's shameful. I'm telling you, that's what every time he's always angry. I don't understand. That's the point that I feel like looking at. No. Please, can you lend me your agric notes? Ngozi, The last time I gave you my notebook to go home, you did not come to school for 2 days. 2 whole days. And I did not see what to study with. Eh?
Are you giving me a
Besides, why were you not in class when we were copying it? Where were you?
Are you giving me or not?
Please, handle it with care. I am begging you. And make sure you come to school with it tomorrow. Else I will not give you my book again.
I've heard you. Thank you.
But there's something I've been wanting to ask you.
What is it?
About your lackadaisical attitude to class. I mean, you're not serious.
What's that supposed to mean? Isn't they bring that leg?
You hardly come to school. You and I know that. You hardly come to school. And then when you manage to come, the few times you have managed to come to school, you always come late. Even the teachers are complaining.
Wait, Chinelo, what's bringing that leg? Or do you think you're better than every one of us?
No. That's not true. I only decided to talk to you about it because I care. That's all.
Look, just because you come first in class and all teachers are praising you does not mean that you're better than every one of us. Okay? Look, the fact that you're doing well in class does not mean that you'll be more successful than everyone in this school.
But I never meant it like that. No, I never meant it like that.
Have your book. Shove it up your ass. Nonsense.
Chimo, I told you to let her be. But you wouldn't listen. Yeah? I don't know. Wait, what did I say wrong now?
You said nothing wrong. But there are people you don't waste your precious time advising. Please, let's go. You don't... Left for me, I will not disturb myself. You shouldn't be worrying yourself over someone that you can see she doesn't want to be serious with her studies. It's obvious.
I don't want her to correct that English she just put now.
Video.
Teachers praises you. If I had said this, she would have just cut my neck.
Chinelo, how did you end up in this village as a village champion? Who would have thought that the almighty Chinelo will become a village champion? Oh God! Girl, you look like an old hag. Now I understand the saying, this life no balance. I can see it all with you. You know, they say some are mates in class, but not mates in life. Sweetie, you look like an old hag. Please go take care of yourself. You need a total makeover. The fire braid today, look. You look like an old hag, honestly. Chinelo with the fire braid. I'm feeling something.
You hardly come to school. And then when you manage to come, the few times you have managed to come to school, you always come late. Even the teachers are complaining.
Wait, Chinelo, what's bringing that leg? Or do you think you're better than every one of us? Come on, you don't need to hide your face, girl, because I already saw you. And I must say, you look really beautiful. I also heard that you have a son now without a husband. Oh, that's shameful. Just because you come first in class and all teachers are praising you does not mean that you're better than every one of us. Look, the fact that you're doing well in class does not mean that you'll be more successful than everyone in this school. Oh, Chinelo, how did you end up in this village as a village champion? Who would have thought that the almighty Chinelo will become a village champion? Oh, God. Girl, you look like an old hag. Now I understand the saying, this life no balance. I can see it all with you. You know, they say some are mates in class, but not mates in life.
Mommy.
What is it? Abumono, what is it this time?
Mommy, I'm very hungry.
Yes, you are very hungry. Mbano, come and eat me. Eat me now, since I now look like food to you. Eat me. Hi! What is all this? Come, why don't you just go far away? Is it that you don't have sense like that, your stupid father? You don't have sense to know when somebody does not want you. Disappear now! Or better still, just find some place, somewhere. Dig the ground. Bury yourself inside. Just anything. Just get out of my sight. Will you get away from here or say such nigga? Get out from here before I wash that your big head. Look at him. I said, go get out. Get out.
I was born as intelligent girl, hoping one day I will rule my world, praying hard every day, studying hard every day. That's one day I will shine up. Mom will get on more. Everything my God, you're about the market. But my world is shattered. I have lost it all. I don't know what to do. You can't move on.
So, after all these years, this house remains the same. No change of any sort. Oh, Chinelo, I was meaning to ask you, how did I get to overtake you? Oh, while you were busy on the highway chasing for high grades in class that only ends on the teacher's reports on your paper. Yes, that's when I overtook you. While you were looking for good grades in class, I was looking for good life, good money, good house, and probably a good man if I so wish. How about I give you some money and hope that you return it by tomorrow? I know you won't, because I know you are so lackadaisical with life. That dog that opens up for everyone has finally become the bulldog that eats the fat bones. And well, the innocent a cookie. The innocent a cookie that attempted to eat the feces of the lepers. What happened? Ended up being infested with the indelible, stigmatizing works of life. Chinelo, you gave birth to a bastard. Huh, what a pity. Anyway, have that. And please, return it to me in class tomorrow. See ya.
What am I living for? Where my life is shattered. Oh, I watch it's up before me. Cause has taken place of blessings in my life. Everything about me is agony and pain. Chinua Babu, just a twinkle of an eye, all my dreams are gone. Chinua Babu,
What happened? Oh my God, you're crying. Wait, I think I remember you. You're the boy I saw with his mom the other day. Did she beat you again?
She said I should disappear from her. She said I should go far away from her.
What?
Madam,
She said that?
let's go.
Don't worry, I'll take you home, okay?
No, I don't want to go home. She hates me.
No, Boo Boo, she doesn't hate you. She's your mommy.
I don't want to go home. She doesn't want me.
Oh my God. You know what? I will talk to her. She's not going to beat you again, okay? Trust me. Come on, let me take you. Let's go. Don't worry. Trust me, okay? Trust Auntie. Let's go.
Madam, this boy not wash his leg go. We don't use his leg to the motor.
Let's go.
I need to always wash the car.
What am I living for? Where my life is shattered. Oh, I watch my life dissolve before me. Cause has taken place of blessings in my life.
Chinelo! Kanayo! Chinelo! Mama, huh? Welcome. Thank you. Where's Anayo? I don't know. What do you mean by you don't know? He was with you here before I left. Is he not grown? When he feels like coming home, he can always find his way back. Chinelo, can you listen to yourself? Our child left this house without your notice and you're not even bothered. What do you want me to do? Go and look for him.
No, I don't have that kind of stress. I don't.
Chinelo, if anything happens to that boy, you have me to confirm. Okay, Nolia. Who kept this money? Chinelo, who kept this money? I don't know. Hey, you don't know when I go there, but Chinelo, who kept this money? Chinelo. Or here the belega. No, you're crying. What is it? Who is
Good
this?
afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, my dear. No, what is it?
My name is Anastasia Suko. I saw him by the roadside crying, so I decided to bring him home.
You were crying? What happened? Chinelo, what did you do to him?
I don't know what you're talking about. Is he not a human being? Human beings cry sometimes. So why is his own different?
Chinelo, what did you do to this boy? I don't like it. Thank you. God bless you.
Everybody has a painful secret the world knows nothing about. Some are even more painful because we just wish it's a nightmare, only for us to realize it's our reality. And we sometimes want to run away or hide from it. I put it to you that you are emotionally perturbed. And I sense transfer of aggression. And what I can't seem to wrap my head around is why you treat this boy with so much hatred. Why so much anger towards your own child, your own flesh and blood? The child of your youth.
You don't know me. So stop talking like you know me.
You're right. I don't know you. But my encounter with you tells me that you are bitter about something. I don't know what it is. But your son is the one feeling the heat. He's too young for that. Way too young. All he needs from you is love, care and attention. Sometimes when we talk about the things we go through, it helps us ease the pain and the burden. Talk to me.
And why would I talk to you about anything? Why?
You actually don't have to talk to me. But I advise you talk to someone. I'm a lawyer and a professional counselor. Here is my card. My number is right there. You can call me when you change your mind or whenever you feel like talking. I'm a very good listener and I'm very easy to talk to. Please take it easy on the child. Please.
Just be strong. If I'm a God knows the best. If I'm a
Hi. Hi, sugar carrier. Kanayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Bring the plate.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, please. It was a mistake. That mistake will kill you. Do you hear me? That mistake will kill you. You evil child, sent from the pit of hell to torment my life. Why would you not make a mistake? When everything about you from head to your toe is a mistake. The only place and the only way you know how to do mistake is to destroy my things in this house. But you will not make mistake and die. Idiot! Come on, give her! Give her! Go! Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? You still opening your mouth wide. You have not started. You have not. Idiot! Ogini. Hey, what is it? Can I open your eyes now? What kind of joke is this? Hey! What did I do? Don't open your eyes. Chinelo, hey, what have you done? Mama, look, he's not breathing. Hey! He's not breathing, no! Chibo! God, please, I beg you. Save my son, no. If you do it, I will never touch him again. Mama, carry him up. Hey! What did I do? What did I do?
Oh, sweetie, my darling, you sweet me, I sweet to you, I never say goodbye. Oh, sweetie, my darling, you sweet me, I sweet to you, I never say goodbye. But are you sure you're for real? Yes, and your love, just give me a chance to prove it to you. In my powerful I know, well, but I must go universe.